sorry, Larry. Didn't I just look natural holding that baby? Yeah, I'm gonna make a really good dinner. Anyway, I got some emails in my hand, so let's get to it. Erica in Ohio wants to know if I have a kid call because she wants to do what I do. Erica.
Everybody, guess who is now a published writer? Today, the mailman brought me fame and fortune. The Reader's Digest, over 27 million copies sold in 19 languages. All around the world, each and every reader will now open to page 64, the humor in...
You think you do it?
So why don't you read it out loud, right? No, we don't. That's not necessary.
너한테 조심하게 하신다. 그런 생각을 했다면 사람도 아니지. 내 마음속에 여전히 아버지 수도 없으시겠어요. 근데 막상 어머님을 찾다 보니까
The sheriff's department says the man who lived here, 36-year-old Ryan Miller, made it out with minor burns. This is his wife. She and the two kids got out unhurt. They blew the windows out.
So let's bring him out. Tara and Rachel. So, how was that moment?
I have to admit, I was shocked, and I felt like somebody had punched my stomach. In that moment, just us, I felt.
Yeah, I mean, I don't actually blow glass, but if I did, I think I could do it a little bit.
You do? Yeah. Congratulations, I love the color.